great about What's My Car Worth is that we drive these cars as part of our evaluations. I was walking through the Barrett-Jackson field. I saw this car, 69 Judge, pistol grip, hood-mounted tack. I said, I'm in. Feels like a typical muscle car from this era. This is 1969. Steering, a little bit vague, brakes slightly overboosted, but wonderful, wonderful sound. Not a lot of road feel here. These suspensions weren't known for being particularly stiff. The car has easy grunt compared to some of the muscle cars I have driven. In other words, it kind of doesn't matter what gear you're in, it pulls smoothly. The rear axle ratio on this car has got a little more long legs to it, so it'd be easier to drive on the freeway or drive long distances. But all in all, it's a more civilized muscle car. You know, they started GTOs in '64, and they were just not as nice as these are. These got a little bit bigger, more opulent on the inside. Think about it, today instead of having the Judge on the side of a car, you'd have the Fuel Miser or the electrically driven Special. Whereas in this era, what they talked about was, what's the big motor you're going to use to put the hammer down on the guy running next to you? This is a car that you could go fast in, but you could also live with.